In this video, we're going to look at how to change the subject when the subject appears twice. We already looked at how to change the subject in this video, so you may want to watch that one first. So you should know that we always use opposites, that you do everything to both sides and cancel on the one side. Take the rearranging step by step, starting with the things that are least connected to your chosen subject. When the subject appears twice in a formula, we need to factorise. So let's have a look at an example. M appears twice, so we know we'll probably need to factorise at some point. Start by moving the T, as that's least connected, to the M's. 2 M's means factorise the right-hand side. Now divide by the V minus U bracket, and you've changed the subject to M. So here's some for you to do. For the second one, start by expanding the brackets. Pause the video, change the subject, and click play when you're ready. How did you get on? If we'd had this question, because there are 2 B's, we're expecting to factorise at some point. But we first have to start by getting everything on the same level. We can't do anything with this B down here. So multiply both sides by B minus D, and then expand the brackets on the left-hand side. Now you can carry on. Pause the video, make B the subject, and click play when you're ready. Did you get it right? So there we have changing the subject when the subject appears twice. All you need to do is factorise. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. Why not check out our FuseSchool app as well? Until next time.